Is getting a mortgage really that difficult? Well, for sure, the requirements for getting a mortgage have changed from recent years. But don't worry. When you count on SCCU for financing your home, we help walk you through every step of the process. We're partners, and we each have a role in making the process as smooth as possible. A big key to eliminating frustration later on is preparing you with information so you know in advance what to expect. Let's walk through our process together. Know your credit. Your credit history and score influences the loan rate and approval decision. You can obtain your free credit report annually from the 3 credit bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute any errors and pay off delinquent accounts. Avoid incurring new debt. Evaluate your finances. Reduce your debt-to-income ratio, and then determine how much money you can afford to put towards a down payment. The more money you put down, the better your loan-to-value. There are a variety of home loans, including low down payment solutions. In addition to the down payment budget, don't forget to include additional budget for closing costs. In some instances, you may be able to roll these costs into the loan amount. Pre-qualification. Next, to start the process, call our Express sales team, or you can apply online to get pre-qualified for a home loan. This tells you exactly how much you qualify for based on an initial review of your credit score and information that you provide. Information such as income, assets, and the value of the home you're trying to finance. At this point, we're ready to discuss loan options, what rate you qualify for, and how much money you need to put down. However, pre-qualifications are not a certainty of getting the loan. Changes in your credit or financial circumstances will impact the loan decision. So don't make any big financial decision before discussing with your SCCU representative. Here are a few tips to remember while you are waiting for your mortgage to close. Provide accurate pay stubs and income sources. Don't buy a car or incur other new debt. Don't apply for credit. Don't close out any credit cards or bank accounts. Don't change your job. Please provide the most accurate information possible to avoid surprises and ensure a smooth mortgage experience. Now, it's time to go home shopping. SCCU's Home Buying Center has a variety of tools and resources to help your search. Once you've found a home and negotiated your contract, we will complete your mortgage application and then transfer your file into processing. Also, we will order an appraisal to determine the value of the home you plan to purchase. The appraiser will visit the house and will also consider sale prices of comparable houses. SCCU will take the appraised value into consideration when determining the amount and terms of your mortgage. Next, your loan processor will begin to collect additional information to prepare your file for underwriting approval. So, what is the underwriter's job? It's the final check in the loan process. They may be asking for clarifications or other documents depending on the requirements for your loan. It's a normal part of the process, and your cooperation is important. We're here to protect our members' interests and their home investment by looking out for them. Next is our general checklist. We will need documentation from all borrowers to support the following. Income. Examples include pay stubs, W-2s, tax return. Assets. Examples include bank statements, check copies, retirement statements. Identity. Examples include driver's license, social security card. Credit profile. Examples include letters of explanation regarding credit inquiries, late payments, bankruptcy documents. Property ownership. Examples include mortgage statements, warranty deed, tax bill. Getting a mortgage nowadays is very different compared to the mortgage process of 5 to 10 years ago. Additional government regulations, more scrutiny of information, and tighter guidelines all lead to a more in-depth, extended process. So please bring plenty of patience to the table. Just remember, the more accurate the information you provide during the pre-qualification process, the simpler the loan process will be. Also, along the way, some of the information you're asked to supply may seem unnecessary to you, but SCCU must comply with the new laws. The quicker you respond with the necessary information, the faster we can get your mortgage closed. We are partners in this, and we have the same goal: finding your dream home. Frequent and open communications are essential during this phase. and depending on the topic, an email or phone call may be preferred. Please note, we commit to returning your call within 1 business day, but keep in mind that we might not respond right away, and that's because we work with a team of experts to gather all the necessary information before we call you back. You're ready to close. Once you get the underwriter approval, the final step is closing your home loan. Prior to closing, you will receive a closing disclosure reflecting your final terms and closing costs. This means how much money you'll need to bring when we schedule the closing. This should be compared with the loan estimate. You're ready to sign your final loan documents. During closing, SCCU funds the loan to the selling party in exchange for the title to the property. Congratulations on your new home. One last thing, SCCU will service your mortgage for the life of your loan. That means we deal with the management of your mortgage from closing until the loan is paid off. We will continue to provide you outstanding service for the life of your loan. Questions? We're here to help. As always, we appreciate your feedback. Share a review about your mortgage experience.